Hey everyone, we're here in the kitchen and I'm going to share with you our chicken enchiladas. You know, eating healthy does not have to taste bad. So I am really a huge fan of prepping my chicken, having it cooked and ready to go. So this is a pan of chicken that's already done. And whenever you have it cooked up like this, you're going to have less prep time as well. This is a recipe too that even your family's going to love. So we're going to take a 9 by 13 baker, spray it with non-sticking cooking oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and use 4 of my pre-cooked chicken breasts in here, and we're going to shred them up a little bit. Get your oven preheated to 350, ready to go, and this really only takes about 15 minutes in the oven once you get everything all together. Now, if you are cooking with frozen chicken breast or maybe chicken that is not already cooked, of course it's going to take longer. This recipe will work for that, but I just always think that it's so much easier if you have your meats cooked up, and it makes meal prep so much easier to go, and like I said, cut your meal time in half. Okay, so we're going to dice this up, shred it all up, and we're going to use 1 jar of black bean and corn salsa. It's fresh too. These are just from the store. That one there is in the jar. If you use the fresh salsa, go ahead and add a little bit of low sodium tomato sauce to make it have a little bit more of a tomato base. Then add in some seasonings. You're going to add spicy seasonings from different low sodium spices that you have. And I'll add a little bit of pepper, and then just a pinch of Himalayan sea salt. Okay, so we're going to mix all this together, and because the chicken is already cooked, like I said, it's only going to take about 15 minutes to heat this up. We're going to put it in the oven, and about 5 minutes before it comes out, I'm going to top it with a little bit of cheese and then low-fat sour cream. Our chicken enchiladas are done. 15 minutes. The last 5 minutes I topped with light sour cream and some cheddar cheese in there. Now, if you're a person that doesn't like to do gluten, I'm going to serve mine with a side of rice, or you can just serve it on low-carb tortilla wraps like Joseph's wraps or your Mission carb balance wraps. Both of these are really good options as well. This is a great recipe. I know your family's going to love it. So be sure to click our link, get our recipe, see all the ingredients that we've used, and check us out at Fit Bodies for Life. If you love this video, share it and give us a thumbs up.